XAU USD, gold versus USD on the 4-hour chart based on your image. Current market context. Trend, bearish, price under both adaptive MAs. RSI, 14, 42.47, bearish momentum but not oversold. Recent support, 3,225. Recent resistance, 3,270, 3,300, also near 50 MA. Short trade setup, high probability of bearish continuation. Entry. Enter short below 3,225 after a confirmed candle close below support. Stop loss. Just above 3,270, near resistance and MA cluster. Take profit targets. TP1, 3,080, recent low from April. TP2, 3,100, psychological support zone. TP3, 3,000, round number and major support. Risk reward, roughly 125 or better depending on entry-exit placement. Long trade setup, aggressive or reversal based. Entry. Enter long only if price breaks and closes above 3,270 with strong bullish candle. Stop loss. Below 3,225 to avoid false breakout. Take profit targets. TP1, 3,320, local high. TP2, 3,370, 200 MA resistance. TP3, 3,420 plus, previous peak. Conservative wait and watch strategy. If you're unsure, wait for a breakout from the 3,225, 3,270 zone. Use a breakout candle with volume or RSI confirmation. Track if RSI crosses 50 up, bullish, or falls below 40, bearish, for added confluence.